my mama kwaba ediba Xposed G so money abema limo erikem kwame amega me de ensembi enenam monim se nanse atwam no won se Bulldog ene Shetawale insensem bi eden koso na ena anope when me say Hit FM and the Dusty interview Bulldog and I send a friend Bulldog na Okyere say what is the relationship between him and Fennec Okyere? And I say, oh, Fennec dear, me or you my down for cry da. Fennec is my everything. Like we used to vibe as friends, and to the extent say Fennec no answer no be share kwa kesi obe manage no. Na me ne ya down for cry da. I mean me cry na me introduce Fennec to management. Say yeah artist aye manage no ono Bulldog no ono kire or did Fennec rasa adwumanim na Fennec to me bani fie so bani fie ni wife ye aduane mani di. But you see this is one of those na when I walk asano and him say eni Bulldog ni atata nsu and and do see e say hey you are even sharing to say yes eye ni ya like wa bre. Like I said in Kofa for any Fennec issue, it's like it's getting out of hand. Everything for woman could in seminar or kind of bar on some cram in the bed.
Fennec is my friend. I knew Fennec way before he started managing Balkesi. I am the person who actually introduced Fennec into managerial places. As I speak to you now, Fennec is on my right side, listening. Saying, shall I get like I go talk some? That's him. If you get my wife on the phone, he'll tell you. Sorry, she'll tell you. Fennec comes to my home and come and eat.
Wow.
Yes, that's how we are. When Jospon bought Fennec his car.
You got tears in your eyes.
Yeah, because you see, I've been through a lot. I don't go know. Look, the last time I spoke to Fennec.
For I own say Bulldog in Sensemina air cosmo. We are making it look like as if say Bulldog in Fennec Okyere in Semnesi, they were like enemies before all these issues happened. But you see, there is more to talk about this. Fine. And then only being down for pay. We have had people we have been friendly with. People we have been friends with, people we have done business with, people who we have called our best friend. But they have become our enemies. Bulldog in Sensemo, they just had an issue on the radio. And a radio, no, I say, your friend, back, so I did ashim. And a Bulldog bufu yeka say, who be who? That is what Bulldog just said. He never threatened a friend anywhere. But once a Fennec Okyere pa out no be can say enkofo bi mu threaten but one can say a Bulldog. But just that onipa na answer na nsem no betoto no na a Bulldog na ejina ama na feel say and I feel say oh on any issue and no kono ka say wo be hu and let's put jokes aside. Say nye se be Fennec na film owu ya ana o hia na kwenhye wo asem we ho a bebi o wo bi anyame mfa ne kra sie but Senyo no share na kwenshi we ya mama nka bibi ntro ye kan sem we che ya dan fofo bebre san kan sem ya ka che ya dan fofo embrase ne ye bedi a ye mu half of this population and 60% ye be go prison because ye tumi ni adam fo tumi nya ntoko ye tumi ya ewo me bo asum wa ewo dia me show we say words that seem threatening. By the end of the day we know say ye bufo na ba no bia working ways but just e bia Bulldog adie. Na they had their grudge back doors, but online na interview and na from on the radio show now. Fennec kasana Bulldog so kasana kase you go see what I go do you know. And no bet and I finish na question and say then you are the one who threatened this person. Then you are the cause of it. And to the extent say ya come akwa ko say Bulldog emranding it be DNA didn't call court now. He wasn't guilty. And yes, asem yambu Bulldog yemu Bulldog as guilty no. Still onipo kun Fennec Okyere yemu be sin de o. It is a cold issue. It is a obini Bulldog benya issue. Now we be bien na no ka say I minimum ade no bi na I am ready to show like come on. Oh, Yama didn't look it say Bulldog is the one who should be in the shoes. But come on, these words are here can't say unimubino. So you have silenced yourself. Like this issue can like we should put jokes aside. Oh. Let's put jokes aside. Bulldog is going through a lot. Enjoy dating kasakasan because ya a guni ufi a money looking because you will be what perception be only team say a way crowning in your issue be you. And for Shatawale being one of the people's heart, and then the people know him very well. No, at the end of the day, all cast a high or no already no any Bulldog now. And yet like you see, when issues and a statement, everyone cast what done before bar. Say even though and chokra a man go for find it hard not to believe it. They will surely believe it because on the board nakrana and they feel they are dirty things you have done. And then I'm sure status no be actually no matter how friendly you are with somebody or you trust them, don't tell them everything. And come here and say Bulldog that same way, like we should take it very serious at all costs. You find it very serious. And now am I friend grow because onipa wa nya asem na ye di na kokot ye mbu anfo no but fashion osim say ono ye mbu anfo na ye hu so ye guilty ne de ono de wonya ne tim adidi mo but still the thing is cold that still ye hwehwe nipa kura wo ye den ukum Fennec Okyere. It is Shatawale coming to tell us to show the people who killed Fennec Okyere. And I said Bulldog is insane because and yes only Bulldog nyansensem na akotwodi and on kasa. Like Ghana police and want some fans similar because so say Bulldog should be assembly court because though they have been friends, but I said Shatawale so tried that boundary and he feel it's comfortable. Say now Ghana pa. If Shatawale knows about this, no matter how soon you need not just not for the defamation or defaming Bulldog no. At the end of the day, so if in case a black man write this write details about what he knows about that issue, ultimately getting to 10 years. Issue between 10 years, I feel now become once the Lord should even deal with him when it comes to rightfully say, assembly woman some papa can. Ebusia for in 22 and now in some will be back a begum film a year to the beer. I know Isha. Aha. And I'm a deal episode. Me, I'm a deal you may a bro, so I want you. Over to me, a friend, a forkent, now media made my children. A more will be subscribing and share on the WhatsApp show. A chair also wiping. I say one so, and when you be a bar down for a dear check and will be panel. Let's say there. How will you feel? So counsel a chair or no, and I will be on another day. A business, and let it be business. Even the people you call your best friend. Keep secrets away from them for the future reference. An enemy today can be a best friend tomorrow, and a best friend today can be an enemy tomorrow. The bush for aha, and I'm doing this. I send it a message here. Bye bye.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dan and a wasie and a open chance papa a day apostle and a dan wutimo na senso to a nuno enuntia ma wonna akwakoye bisi basa any enne media sempa enam natural things e bie wo mo ensem e de amasa nkrofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo so wo how no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum natural things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda